In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your first integration. By the end, you'll have data flowing into Grafana Cloud and a ready-made dashboard to explore. First, sign in to your Grafana Cloud account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and find the Connections section. Click that, and then choose Integrations. This is your central hub for collecting metrics, logs, and traces from common systems, without a lot of manual setup. Next, pick the integration you want to start with. You can browse the full catalog or use the search bar if you already know what you're looking for. If this is your first time, Linux and Kubernetes are great beginner-friendly choices because they show useful metrics quickly. When you've found the one you want, click its name to open the details page and review what it collects and how it works. Now let's start the setup. Click Add Integration. If you're part of more than one Grafana Cloud stack, you may be prompted to select which stack to use. Choose the stack where you want the data to appear and continue. From here, follow the guided instructions shown on screen. Grafana provides clear steps tailored to the integration you selected. Many integrations will generate a command for you to run on your server, container platform, or environment. Copy that command exactly and run it in the appropriate terminal or tool with the right permissions. This will install the agent or exporter and connect it back to Grafana Cloud. After running the command, give it a few minutes. Data needs a moment to be collected and sent. During this time, avoid closing the process prematurely and make sure any required network access is allowed so the agent can reach Grafana Cloud. Once a couple of minutes have passed, head back to Grafana Cloud and click Dashboards. Most integrations automatically create a pre-built dashboard that organizes the metrics or logs for you. Open the dashboard that matches the integration you just added. Now verify that data is arriving. You should start seeing charts and panels populate with metrics or logs. If panels look empty at first, expand the time range to the last 15 or 30 minutes and refresh. If nothing shows yet, wait a bit longer and double-check that you ran the command on the right host or cluster and that there were no copy-paste errors. And that's how you add your first integration. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more step-by-step guides.